Assalamu alaikum, this is Majid Shahid.
This is Mohammad Bilal.
And this is Umar Yasser. Let us take you through the entrepreneurial journey of Raja Murad, the CEO of CarFirst.
To start off from the earlier days, I'm based out of Lahore. I studied at HSN over here. Before I went to the Lahore School for my bachelor's, the Lahore School of Economics. I worked with my parents' businesses for some time. They were predominantly into, they were manufacturing furniture. They were doing some textiles at the time. So I spent a lot of time working with them. I did my master's at IBA in Karachi. So I was there a couple of years. I worked at my first tech startup in Karachi. Before moving back to Lahore, I was then involved with various family businesses, our own and some extended family businesses in private education, as well as textiles, various other positions. I finally left that and joined Rocket Internet. At that time, I also did have, well, I still do have a couple of other businesses that I run at a smaller scale or that I own. Finally, I took the leap of faith and I decided that I wanted to start something on my own.
We believe that we've provided you a way to sell your car which is fast, simple, secure, and stress-free. Our hard work and our efforts have been recognized as we won the Consumer Icon Award for the fastest growing tech company in Pakistan.
Been a case where we've been encouraged to look into our own business, to do something on our own. It's always been very encouraged, and it's been the preferred choice for myself, my siblings, my cousins, everybody. Role models, I mean, I worked very closely with my mother throughout. She was a working woman, and she was running a number of businesses at the time that I graduated from college and university. So I worked with her for quite a while, learned a lot, looked up to her. CarFirst, the business model that we have, was the most obvious choice because I'm quite a car person, so already quite into cars. And I was working with Rocket at a venture of theirs called Car Moody, which I was heading in South Asia. So we had piloted this particular and looked at this particular business model that we do at CarFirst, and I kind of really liked it. So I started on my own. Studied finance, and I'd actually thought I'd go into the finance side. But as I started my master's at IB, I very early realized that I wanted to switch over to a more marketing focused sort of a thing. So my master's was in marketing essentially. And the other thing that was very important to me was that I took a very strong liking to supply chain. When we started buying and selling some cars, so I had a few people who I had worked with in various previous companies, or people who had experience, who understood cars. They joined in pretty quickly, not in founding roles, but I was lucky enough to have a lot of good people around me who worked very hard, probably equally hard as myself, in setting this up and figuring it out. These were people I could trust with ideas, with execution, with money in many cases. And उधर से फिर हमारी टीम भी organically build हुई, हमारा एक direction भी निकला, फिर नए ideas आए, नई directions निकली, and there onwards it was pretty organic. We came up with a name, we built up a team, we got funding, and we didn't really look back. In my previous job, I had figured out that, it was, for the car dealerships in the country, buying a car was very difficult. And for consumers, selling a car was actually very difficult. Despite having all the classifieds and, somewhat of a setup in the country, but there was nobody who was really actually, helping out or taking part in the transaction. So what we actually do is that, we buy cars from people who want to sell. We make life very easy for them in buying those cars. and we sell them on via an auction platform to car dealerships. In this case, it was pretty organic, so to say, because we just saw that yes, we had figured that I had figured, and some of the people who were working with me at the time had figured that there was definitely this area in the market. We liked it. We had already worked in it with our previous employers. Unfortunately, the employer didn't want to then consider investing in it in Pakistan. So it was really just, I think I was just at the right place at the right time, and, willing to pick up on the, opportunity and take that risk. It was a big risk. It wasn't a small risk. To be very honest, it wasn't a very, it wasn't overly thought out. I just jumped into it. We gave it a shot. We tried it out. We realized that it had, there onwards realized that there was something there, and then it took us some months and years to really figure out our model, कि हमने किस तरफ जाना है और exactly किस तरह काम करना है. And as a company this young, we're still, at a lot of levels figuring out कि हम क्या करते हैं, क्या बेहतर कर सकते हैं. And yeah.
Was it easy to leave your job and start a venture?
It was that decision, which is, a tough decision. But again, I had a lot of encouragement from family, friends, so I had that on my side to, really give it a shot. It was really one of those now or never sort of situations, right? Had I done it then, had I not done it then, I don't know when I could have done it. As time goes on, it gets tougher and tougher to leave your job. There was a lot of that. They didn't understand कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं. They were, of course, very threatened by us. Not even threatened till quite late. They didn't really take us seriously. They didn't know are we any different. We used to, वो मुड़ के यही कहते थे हमें कि जी आप, क्यों गाड़ियाँ कहीं से खरीदेंगे और हमें बेचेंगे, हम खुद ही खरीद लेते हैं. They weren't really tech savvy. App इस्तेमाल करने का शौक नहीं था. But then we got some good responses. We started out in Lahore, and I think within a couple of months we were in Karachi, and the uptake was there. We did realize that, we obviously saw that there was a good market, and, then the dealers started taking more and more interest. We actually work very closely with a lot of our dealers, and we kind of evolve our business and product together with them. Yeah, there is some competition in Karachi, but we've had a few competitors over the years. A few of them have come, a few of them have gone, a few of them have stuck for a longer time. The thing is, it's a tough and an expensive model, and I think where we've got a pretty strong grip right now in how we do things. I think we're a very well structured company. We're operationally very focused. So, we like to focus on ourselves. We're not very reactive to anybody who comes in as a competitor. The thing is, they're doing their business, we're doing our business. So, happy to go by it. I'll be honest, I can't really comment on our financial position. I don't really believe that. It's not about really breaking even. I think it's a clear path to breaking even, where you understand where your company is going to break even. I'm a very big fan of businesses and models that, they're in the money and they're profitable from the first day. Anything else that I've invested in, are general businesses where, we're making money from, the very, very beginning. But as you want to grow your companies and you want to expand, it's a case of investing more and more, and that kind of, does run losses. So it becomes a case of how far and how long you want to continue investing more and, keep growing and chasing that bigger profit, right? So in our case, we keep, presently we're going into new cities every month. I think this month we're starting Peshawar. Next month we're probably going to be doing another city in KPK. We've covered most of Punjab. We've got a few cities in the southern part of the country, all the way up till Multan. So I think as we burn a lot of money going into new cities and looking at new areas of businesses, it can keep taking a big strain on your finances. We have a lot of crises all the time. That every day is a new crisis, really. But yes, there have been crises. We've been in situations where dealer markets have rejected or revolted us. We've had situations where the tax authorities or the government authorities have come and tried to shut us down. There have been, you name it, it's happened. We've run out of money, multiple times, but we figured it out. Market is very clear. It's really anybody who owns a car and anybody who wants to eventually sell that car. Well, anybody who owns a car will need to sell it one day and possibly replace it. So literally they're all our target market in terms of buying cars. In terms of selling cars, initially it was just the car dealerships. Then we went into a project where we decided to create our own car dealers, or we call them merchants. These are people who work from home, they trade cars, they have some money. So we groom them and develop them. Then we have a franchise network that we're building up right now. These are CarFirst branded car dealerships. You may have seen a few. I think there's 3 or 4 in Karachi as well. So I think there's the two areas where our target audience. The value proposition is really around making it very convenient for anybody to sell a car to us. Like anybody who, doesn't want to go through too much of a hassle, wants to get a fair price for the car. They're our target audience. Our limitation in this is that we have to work through banking channels, and a lot of people in Pakistan don't really operate through banking channels. Right. So if you come to us and say that you want hard cash for a car, we're not gonna buy your car. We're not gonna be able to pay you that way. We're gonna just be able to transfer money to your bank account or give you a pay order or a check. Of course. As structure gets better, as we as an organization develop more, we have good people coming in and joining the company. So uncertainty to jati hai. Hamari market acceptance zyada ho gayi hai. देखो एक टाइम था जब we weren't very confident of the prices that we gave for people. Now upwards of 40-45% of the people who actually want to sell a car to us, they end up selling to us. It's a big number. पहले लड़के जाते थे लोग कि जी आपकी prices अच्छी नहीं है. It's part and parcel. I think we've settled in an area that we kind of find as our comfort zone. My team's job is to find a comfort zone. My job is to get them out of the comfort zone and push for more growth. Important thing is give it a when I was in IBA, I think there wasn't a lot of encouragement towards people coming to do their own business. I was very clear that I'm going to do my own thing. I had one particular professor who really encouraged me. Imran Sahab hote the. He was our entrepreneurship teacher, so he was very encouraging. He's still in touch with me at times, checks up on me, makes sure I haven't started doing a job anywhere. But I think it's worth a shot. The earlier the better, the sooner the better. Baad mein, you go into the job market, it gets tougher and tougher, right? Over time, you go into a comfort zone. It's hard to let go of a fixed salary or a salary. So the thing is that if you don't do it, you won't know, right?